Without wasting time, let's to understand how to make an AI video. Listen before creating a video or a short. First, you must know where should I take the AI tools for making video. Listen, YouTube Automation is working on it to create for you everything if you are a new creator. Let's to understand where to take these tools. First of all, you might need a prompt or script. There are too many AI platform. I am giving you some of them as I am using. Open your WhatsApp, there's Meta AI or ChatGPT app you can do. Write you expression of about video, also take a prompt for generating picture. As look how I am doing, then copy that prompt. First take the script of image generating, then come to Gemini, install it easily from Play Store. Click on create a image, paste to your prompt. Create for you a image. Then convert the picture to video. There are too many tools, I am listing some of them for you. Open your YouTube. Look, there is a plus icon, click to create a short, then look at the right side on top, there's showing symbol, click on it, and photo to video, click that. After clicking, just pick up your image and the video prompt, copy it from that Meta AI app, paste on it. Easy now, it generating for you free, you can use it for all social media platform. Now I am giving top AI tools for video and voice and pictures generating.